remote condition monitoring service for variable speed drives is a quite new service and provided by ABB. So it is basically the tool to plan for maintenance and really reduce the risk of unplanned downtime. And it has this kind of end customer portal where the customer can access for live data and to have a look on availability and condition indexes and parameter values. All of that is prepared by ABB experts. And then also the customer can get an expert reports from ABB, which has maintenance recommendations inside it. And also it is possible to get proactive alerts. The benefit of this service is provide information for maintenance planning and improve the risk management. Remote condition monitoring service is enabled by Internet of Things, services and people. So we have devices connected and get the data remotely, but we have built on top of that services which will bring real value to the customer, and then we provide ABB expertise inside this service. So this is a huge step towards information-based maintenance planning. I'm really proud to provide this service to the customers by ABB.